Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store crashing problem or Play Store keeps stopping problem. Mainly for three reasons this problem is happen. The first reason is for too much cache accumulation in your Play Store application. If you not clear the cache, then it can be happen with you. And then second reason is for too old Play Store application. Then final and third reason is for updated Play Store application. Sometimes it can be happen for updated Play Store application. Okay, now I will show you the first method for fix this problem. First of all, go to your settings from your device, then scroll down and click on apps, then click on manage apps. After that, here search for Play Store, then click on it. Then from here go to storage, and here below click on clear data, then click on here clear cache, then tap on OK. In some phone you might be find here Google Play services on app manage. You just need to same thing to this application. Okay, then check your Play Store. If it is not work for you, then clear all data of your Play Store application. This will be fix your problem. If it is also not work for you, let's jump in the another process. Go to Play Store, here click on account icon, then go to settings, and here go to about section. Here click on update Play Store. If you see your Play Store is up to date, then go to app info of your Play Store application. In some phone you will see here three dots option. You just need to click on it. Then you will see here uninstall update option. If you not find here uninstall, then here below you will find it. Just uninstall this updated version of Play Store, cause this problem happened for this updated version of Play Store. Then check again your Play Store. I hope this will be fix your problem. But if you see that your Play Store is too old, then you need to update it. Let me show you. Here if I go to Play Store settings, then scroll down, here tap on your Google Play Store version. Now you can see here a new version of Play Store is downloading. After complete download, just close all tabs and open your Play Store. If it's not fix your problem, then again go to your Play Store about section and update your Play Store. Do same thing until fix this problem. As you can see here, after twice update, my Play Store problem is fixed. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like, comment, share. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.